Who was Hywel Dda, and how did he become one of Wales's most influential rulers? Hywel Dda, or Hywel the Good, was born in the late 9th century. The son of Cadell ap Rhodri Mawr, Hywel first ruled Deheubarth from the early 900s, perhaps from a royal base that later became Castell Dynevor. Through a mixture of marriage, diplomacy, political opportunity, and at times force, Hywel expanded his authority across much of Wales. His marriage to Elen, daughter of the King of Dyfed, helped him claim that region after 903. Hywel had 4 sons. Rival claimants, including Hywel's own brothers and nephews, contested his position, and his grip on the south and west only solidified in the late 930s. After the death of Hywel Dda, King of Gwynedd in 942, Hywel seized control of the north as well, making him one of the very few rulers to command almost all of Wales. However, Hywel Dda is remembered above all for something else: codifying the laws of medieval Wales. While historians question the tradition's reliability, accounts claim he gathered learned men at Whitland to revise and record the laws, later known as Cyfraith Hywel, the Law of Hywel. Some records suggest he even travelled to Rome for papal approval. He may also have been the only Welsh ruler to issue coinage. A single silver coin inscribed Hywel Rex survives. Hywel's death in 949 or 950 saw the territories he had united fracture amongst his sons and rival dynasties, but his reputation endured, not just as a king who once held much of Wales, but as a figure linked with justice, order, and Welsh identity. Discover the places connected to Hywel Dda's extraordinary reign, including the Hywel Dda Centre in Whitland and Cadw's Castell Dynevor. Cadw, for us all to keep.